Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes.
Kinematics of rigid bodies. A rigid body may have the following types of motion. So rigid body is defined and it is differentiated with particle also. That concept is already discussed in one of the lecture videos. The link can be checked through the description given below. So the types of motion that a rigid body can have is translation, fixed axis rotation, general plane motion and general space motion. So here when we say that a rigid body can translate, the first type of motion, basic type of motion, all the particles of the body will have the same identical motion. So the rigid body in that case can be considered as a simple particle which is having the mass of the rigid body. When we look into translation in detail, this can be divided into two types. One is the rectilinear motion, which means the body will take a straight path. For example, a rigid body is this. Let us note some few points on the object. Let this point be A, let this point be B. I am noting the middle point as its center of gravity. Now the object must be traveling in a straight path. So with the object, all these points also will take the same line, the straight path. So point A is here, B is here and G is here. So this is the first position. This is the second position. This is a straight path that the object has followed. So all the particles are moving along the same parallel path. All the paths are parallel. Therefore, the displacement, velocity, acceleration of each and every particle at any instant is same. So this is a rectilinear translation motion. So we have another type of translation, which is curvilinear translation. So by the name, the body will shift to a position in a curved path. So for example, the object is this. We are just noting down all the points. Some points. One point is A, other is B. The center of gravity is G. So it will take a curved path. So the object will trace a curved path, and this is its new position. So this is A, now this is G, this is B. So the body is shifting to a new position from position 1 to position 2 along a curved path. So this is the path. So considering all the effect, whether it is in rectilinear translation or rectilinear motion or the curvilinear motion, we can consider rather all these points, because all the points at a particular instant will have the same displacement or same velocity, same acceleration. So we can club all of them, rather finding all the infinite points and considering them all separately. We can consider the entire rigid body as a single point, which is the very G, the centroid point or the center of gravity point. So we can consider all the effect that at this point G only, and we can assume the rigid body to be a particle. So this is a particle concept. So in translation motion, because the displacements, velocities, acceleration of each and every particle will be same at any instant. Displacement of all the particles is same. Velocity of all the particles is same. Acceleration of all particles are also same. So we will consider only one particle, which is its center of gravity, and assuming it to be a particle, we can solve or analyze or study a rigid body which is under translation as a kinematics of particles. So kinematics of rigid body under translation is simply can be assumed to be kinematics of particles that are in translation. And all these concepts are already available in the kinematics of particles playlist.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.